I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily install this iRanger module into your FrSky radio that will allow you to fly Spektrum BNF models along with many others. With the addition of this module, I think this makes FrSky one of the best transmitter ecosystems on the market. There are two different ways to install the Lua scripts, so if you'd like to skip ahead, check out the timestamps below. For the first method, if you don't have it already, you'll need to download and install Ethos Suite. Otherwise, your current version will work. You can download Ethos Suite on the FrSky website or follow the link in the description. You will also need to download the Lua script for the multi-protocol module, which you can get from the FrSky GitHub or follow the link in the description. Once you have Ethos opened up, there are a few ways to connect your transmitter. I prefer to open Ethos. Go to the Radio Information tab. In the older version, it will be the Ethos tab. Once here, turn on your transmitter, plug in your USB-C cable. Once prompted on your transmitter, select Ethos Suite. Now you just need to add the correct Lua script to the correct drive. Open up your File Explorer and go to this PC. In my case, I'm using an X20RS, which has an 8 gig internal drive, so I select the radio drive. If you have a transmitter with the SD card, it should say USB drive. If you don't already have a scripts folder here, you will need to create one. Now go to your downloads and extract the Lua file you download from the GitHub. It should be in a folder called Multi. Copy this folder and put it into the scripts folder. Now you can eject your drive and you're good to go. For the second method, make sure you have the latest version of Ethos Suite, which at the time of this filming is version 1.6.0. Go to the Radio Information tab. Turn on your transmitter and plug it in to the USB-C port. When prompted, select Ethos Suite. Now it's not required, but it's quick and easy to update all your firmware and module version. Just select Manage Ethos, select the newest version, write Outdated Components. For the RF module, go back to Radio Information, Manage Internal Module, select the latest version, and flash the module. Now that you're up to date, go to the Lua library. Open .zip at the bottom of the screen. Select the zip file. Select the multi checkbox. Install the Lua scripts. Now you're ready to bind your receiver. Next, go to the transmitter and select the model screen. RF system. Set the internal module state to off. Set the external module state to on. If you have correctly installed the Lua file, you will be able to set the type to multi-module. I tried this with all of the protocol options, and all of the DSM2 and DSMX bound and worked correctly. Now keep in mind when plugging in your receiver to make sure the correct signal, power, and ground is lined up, as different receivers can have different orientations. Also, Spektrum uses a TAER configuration when plugging in the channels, where FrSky uses an AETR. However, the system automatically corrects for this, so make sure to plug in your channels as marked by the manufacturer. Now, plug in your bind plug, select bind on your transmitter, and power up your receiver. And there you go. Now you can fly your bind and fly Spektrum plane. If you're not sold on FrSky yet, check out my next video where I compare some of the FrSky transmitters.